In this part of our course, we want to tell you how to create a tap connection. In the last course, we told you how to add duct, flange one, I mean, but connection was three-way. Here we have the tap fitting, tap connection, I mean. Okay, for example, circle to circle, rectangular to rectangular, or round one to the rectangular. As we start to add the fittings for dampers, I return to the software environment. We try to add a duct with tap fittings. And I make it and try to duplicate it. Okay, right click, rename it. I will explain which type of duct I need. 45 degrees, with damper. Okay, damper. Very easy. I try to change the properties of it. In this window, I go to edit and I don't change the elbow as a default. For round elbow, diameter is 1, and in here our width is about 1.5 of diameter. We need the tap junction type. Okay, our junction type is using standards. If you I try to use OK here, I will return to that again. I select duct, which we created recently. Its diameter is 15. Select it, OK, create similar. I decrease the diameter to 10 and connect it to the pipe. And its connection is tap 1. This is very simple. For damper, I need to make it usable for dampers. You can do it from here, or you can select duct and from properties window go to the edit type. There's no difference between these. I go to favorites folder for mine. Different types of connections are available here. I use this one. Add to the software. In the junction, I use it round takeoff with damper, conical standard. Okay, and leave the rest of the options. I select duct again using create similar. I choose 10 inches for the diameter, and it is important to mention that automatically connect must be active. This connection is the conical with damper. Okay, select it, uncheck the damper. This family is not default of the software. So this is for the round one. For the rectangular one, you can duplicate, okay, rename it to 45 degrees. With tab shape. I try to use this one. I go to type properties, edit, load family again, and let's go to round duct, take up with damper. This is the rectangular T, and I need this one, rectangular tab. Okay. I select from this combo box. Rectangular tab, bevel standard. Okay. Select duct, which we created before. Find this one. Okay. Our size is 10 inches. I select next one, 10 by 6. This is our connection, which I mentioned. This is type of connection are available in the software. Next one is round one. Okay, in here I duplicate this. I leave these with this name, edit, type properties, edit. Okay, layout family, and I select the last one. Round take up with damper, conical standard. Okay, I select these. Okay, I select duct, and I try to draw a rectangular duct, and try to select the next one, number 2, which was the round one. I decrease the diameter like this. Okay, mention this, the connections are different when you try to make the connections. And check this. Okay, which has no damper. I rename it to I try to make contractions S to R. This was the how to make a tap to the duct. This lesson will continue